guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create this effect right here, or this effect right here, or even this effect right here for free. In addition, we can add links to the image or texts right here, enter image, enter icons, into the new update of the Borderless WordPress plugin Marquee element. This is a widget from Elementor WordPress plugin that works for free, so you can use Elementor for free and Borderless plugin by Visualmodo for free to have access to this layout right here. First thing, go to WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. To use this like us, you need to install, review the upper right corner of your screen, search plugins, click on Borderless, type Borderless, and click on install now, then click into activate. It's free and works great, okay? After this, make sure that you have Elementor plugin installed, can be the free version. No problem if you are in the free version, just go to page, add new page, click on edit with Elementor, this blue button, into the top middle of your screen. Wait while the Elementor page editor loads. Now, review the left sidebar of menus. There is a search field, type Marquee, just like this. We have Marquee Text. Click. As soon as you click, you're going to be able to see the editor options right here. We have a couple of headings, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 headings. Imagine that we would like to remove some. All we have to do is click into this X icon. Into the case that you want to add, you can click into add icon. Simple, right? You can clone the icon in the case that you wish by clicking into this icon right here next to the X icon. And if you click on editor, right here we have now 3 options. We can have editor, where we can edit the text. We can make it a link, for example, using the WordPress text editor. You can type the link and make the heading one a link. So, as you can see right here, it is a link, a clickable link, okay? You can change the color, you can make it italic, you can change the font size, you can change the font color, all that WordPress editor can do. Then, you can go to another heading, and instead of editor, I would like an image. So, I can change for image, click right here, and select an image to appear into the marquee text, just like this. You can even change the image resolution and enter a link for this image, okay? Simple, right? Then, into the third, we can change, for example, for an icon. I can click into this plus button, select a nice icon. We can enter a link for this icon as well, in the case that you wish. And we are good to go. All we have to do now is publish your page by clicking into the upper right corner of your screen, pink button to publish, or keep editing to have the layout that you want. You can change the style, change the angle. For example, creating some nice effect. We can enter a divider or a marquee text. Simple, easy, and very effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to install our Borderless plugin. It's free. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys tomorrow. All the best.